Hey guys, it's your girl Ray Budgets and I'm back with another video. What's up my sunshine budgeters? So today we'll be doing the Ticket Funds check-in, which is my favorite time of the the end of the month, because it shows exactly how much we were able to save. So I'm super excited to do this one. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So we're going to actually change the color of the pen. So we're going to do, let's see, we're gonna do blue because I actually really like this blue. So we're just gonna go through and update and figure out how much we were able to save in our sinking funds. Alright, so for moving out, we now have $380. So of course, with our handy dandy calculator, which is on the side, which you won't be able to see. Okay, so 380 minus 290 is $90, so that's a plus of $90. So apartment fund started off at 240 and then it is now 330. So 330 minus 240 is $90, which is not surprising that these two equal out because I pretty much try to put the same amount in both, even though the apartment fund end goal is way higher. But I have a savings challenge kind of like helping me boost that. But yeah, so $90 in both of those. Emergency fund now has $520. So $520. So that's a difference of $320. Miscellaneous now has $70. So 70 minus 35 is 35, so a plus of $35. Household started off at 51 and it now has 76. So 51 minus 76 is a plus of $25. Car maintenance started off at 205 and it's ending at 280. So 280 wait a minute, I don't think that's right. Car maintenance, yeah, that's right. So 205 minus 280, 280 minus 205 is 75, so a plus of $75. Medical started off at 80 and it's ending at 115, 115. So 115 minus 80 is a plus of 35. I started off at $30 and ended with 45, so that's a plus of $15. Investments started off at 8 and ending in 16, so that's a plus of $8. Future started off with 10 and now has 18, so that's a plus of $8. Inclusive Beauty started off at 65 and now it's ending in 110. So that's a plus of $45. And then retirement started off at 10 and it's ending in 22. So that's a plus of $12. Oops, y'all could not see that. So here's all the rest of the numbers. Okay, so let me try to get this. So gifts started off at 25 and now it's ending in 50, so we added $25. Travel started at 27 and now ending in 61, so that's a plus of $34. Student loan started off at $72 and now has $115. So that's a plus of $83. Clothes started off at $6 and now it has $32. So that's a plus of $26. Self-care started off at $23 and now it has $83. So that's a plus of $60. School started off at $65 and it now has $100. So that's a plus of $35. Car tax started off at $35 and now it has $35 and now it has a plus of now it has $60. Yeah, 35. So that's a plus of $25. Parents started off at $27 and now they have $67. So that's a plus of $40. Christmas did not get anything. And then tech started off at $7 and now it has $22. So it has a plus of $15. And then grocery rollover didn't have anything last month and now it has $37. So that's a plus of $37. And that's it for low priority. And then now all we have to do is savings. So for savings, savings for Capital One started off at $40 and now has $55. So that's a plus of $15. High yield saving account had started at $35 and now has $50. So that's a plus of $15. Extra savings started at $475 and now has $400. So that's a plus of $25. Fall savings challenge didn't start off at anything, but now it has $120. Let me see. Yeah, $120. So that's a plus of $120. The 100 envelope challenge didn't have anything because we just started it this month. So it now has, let me see. So that now has $12. So 12. So that's a plus of 12. And then for the 26 envelope challenge, we actually finished it. So we had $378 plus 2. So the $2 for the challenge we just started over. So 380 minus 153 is a plus of $227. So guys, actually this month we're all in the positive. There was no minuses. Oh, excuse me. So let's go ahead and total everything up. All right, so for high priority, in the end we currently have $1,982 in sinking funds total. And for the money that we saved for sinking funds, like the total money we added Give me 1 second. Have a positive $758. So we added $758 into savings this high priority sinking funds. We added $758 this month, which is super good. And just to double check that and to figure out if your math is right, you would just take 1982 minus 1224, and that's 758. So that is correct. All right, so let's just do low priority real quick. So that's $627. So that's a positive $180. So it says 340, but these two columns are correct, so I'm not sure. I think it's just because this one didn't have a number. So that's almost $40 right there. So we're just gonna go with that. But the math is correct, so the only other thing we have to do is go through savings. So savings started off with 6 is 1,117. So that's a plus 414. And that is correct. So a plus of 414. So now we're just going to do how much we actually added into each sinking fund. So how much we added into each category right here to get our totals. So for sinking funds, for high priority we got $1,982, and then for low priority we have 627. So that is 2,000 guys, $609 in total. And then minus 1,511, that is an addition of $1,098. We were able to add $1,098 in a month, and that is correct. My math is not mathing right now. Okay. So it has to be 340. I'll go through and figure out what I did wrong and where. But in order for it to equal out evenly, it's 340 here. So we'll figure out where I went wrong. So for savings, we ended up with 1,017. So 1,017 minus 603 is 414. So that is correct. So a plus of 414, which of course we don't have 1,017 saved up because this 378 got moved to emergency, and then part of it went to the credit card. So this is just how much money we were able to save. So the end sums is 2,609 plus 1,017 is equal to 3,626. And then we were able to save $1,512. $1,512. which even if I did take the $378, because that's how much the 26 envelope challenge was, we were still able to save $1,134 in a month. $1,134. So when they say savings challenges are a little bit too hard, they are hard, but they do help. So guys, we saved $1,134 in a month. I'm super proud of us, guys. Yeah, super proud. Never thought I'd be able to save $1,000 a month. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.